So I got these cuttings, this Stapelia cutting, Stapelia gigantea, from my friend about 2 years ago, and I've been waiting forever for it to flower for me. And then it was starting to flower, and I waited like 2 weeks for it to open. I have some pictures of the progress. And then finally today, after I had to move it into the garage because we have a cold front coming through, look what happened. Look at this. Look, ready? Look at this beast. Isn't that insane? It almost scared me. I was not, when I noticed it had opened. Look at that. Hold on. This is right up next to my head. I brought a ruler out so we can see how big it is. Just gentle with it. Look. It is so big. Okay, gonna smell it. I know it's not gonna be pleasant, but we've gotta do it. Taking one for the team. Oh God, it's bad. It smells like fish trash. Oh, it is gorgeous though. It's like, let's see how big it is. I brought a ruler out. Okay. Well, the ruler isn't big enough. It is probably, let's see, almost 14 inches across. That is crazy. That is insane. Okay, let's see what Tiger thinks. Tiger! 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 Smell that flower. What do you think of that? Wow. That's a stinky thing, huh? What do you think? You like it? Smell funny? Now we need to see what the dogs think. Pop-ups! What do you think of that flower, Ninjas? Ooh, what about you, Annie? What is that stinky smell? Nidji, smell the flower. Smell the flower. Ooh, you like it? You like the stinky? Smell this flower. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
On the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to touch that.
What do you think? Can you smell it?
Yeah, didn't smell too good.
What does it smell like?
Like,
lift it up and smell it.
No. Not good. I don't want to touch that. It smells bad.
It does smell bad. Isn't it awesome though?
Mm-hmm. I'm sure flies will love that.
Yeah. I actually just smelled it again, and it is getting worse. And I'm having to keep it in the garage, so we're going to be hanging out behind the fan, hopefully blowing the smell out. But it's totally worth it.